We meet again on 9xe.com, the show. So Sunny Leone's Ek Paheli Leela released, and our 9xe.com film buffs went to check it out. There's what they had to say about the movie.
What's up? मेरा नाम है प्रबुद्ध दायमा
And I am Nafisa Sharma.
और हमने देखी एक पहेली लीला.
It's a story about Leela and Shravan who are very much in love. बीच में आता है एक विलन, दोनों को मार देता है और उसके बाद उनका होता है पुनर्जन्म.
तो फिल्म में है सनी लियोनी एंड no matter what you say about that woman, she is drop dead gorgeous.
जय भानुशाली, प्लीज आप मेहरबानी करो और वापस जाके वो डांस रियलिटी शो ही होस्ट करो. आई थिंक दैट सूट्स यू द मोस्ट.
राहुल देव, नाउ उनसे ज्यादा एक्टिंग उनके सिक्स पैक्स ने की है और अगर आपने ट्रेलर देखा है तो आप जानेंगे कि उनके सिक्स पैक्स नहीं है.
और इनके अलावा इस मूवी में है रजनीश दुग्गल,
नो.
मोहित अलावत,
डबल नो. Nafisa, what was your favorite song in the film?
I love Dholi Taro and the only reason I like the song is because it has an old tune to it and Salman Khan was in that song. If you're going to watch the movie for Sunny, then it's Paisa Vasool. Otherwise, it is a 70 rupees Thursday morning watch.
It's not a great example of direction. It's definitely not a great example of acting performances. It is dubbed poorly. But me telling you all of this doesn't make a difference. You want to still go and watch it for Sunny Leone and you're going to do that. So on the hot slot now, because of an interesting plot twist in the end, I give Leela 1 thumbs up.
And I also give it 1 thumbs up. So Mr. Daima,
Miss Nafisa,
tell me 3 things you learned from the movie.
Number 1, 300 साल पहले जैसलमेर में, राजस्थान में लोग ढोली तारो गाते थे जो गुजराती फोक सॉन्ग है, but it's okay.
Number 2, if you are a Sunny Leone fan, then you must know that she loves eating fish and chips.
And number 3, even Sunny Leone follows the Indian trend of getting drunk and passing out on international flights. तो ये थी हमारी विशेष टिप्पणी फिल्म लीला पर.
Don't forget कि हम मूवी क्रिटिक्स नहीं है, हम मूवी बफ्स है.
जी हाँ, हम आपको मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते. But before we leave, one fun fact about Nafisa. She is friends with Rahul Dev on Facebook.
You had to say that.
So that's what we thought about it. If you guys do catch the film, give us your take on it by writing into us at facebook.com/9xe and also tweet your review with #LeoneKiLeela at 9xe the show. From that review, we've got some behind the scenes footage of Tiger Shroff doing what he does best, shaking a leg like the pro that he is. 9xe.com went on the sets of Atif Aslam's song Zindagi Aa Raha Hu Main featuring Tiger.
I think this song is more for, it's just a celebration of life, like I said. It's for the children, it's for the youth, it's to inspire them, not in a preachy manner, but to inspire them through entertainment, through talent, and just to have fun. I'm not a good dancer, I'm not very talented in dancing, but I'm very hardworking and disciplined. So, अगर अहमद सर मुझे एक स्टेप बताएंगे तो इट टेक्स अ लिटिल टाइम फॉर मी टू कैप्चर इट, पर वो स्टेप के पीछे मैं आई वर्क वेरी हार्ड आफ्टर दैट स्टेप अंटिल आई डोंट गेट परफेक्शन. मेरे हिसाब से आई थिंक एनी स्टेप इफ समबडी इज वॉचिंग द वीडियो और फिल्म, इफ ही पॉजेज इट शुड लुक लाइक अ पोस्टर. नो मैटर व्हाट वेयर ही पॉजेज इट इट शुड लुक गुड.
एक बहुत मेजर पॉइंट है कि एल्बम्स आना बंद हो गई थी. एल्बम रिवाइवल और सिंगल रिवाइवल्स जो है ना, उसके लिए ये गाना प्रॉब्ली बहुत ज़रूरी है. ऑल्सो आई थिंक कि उसका क्रेडिट जो है वो भूषण जी को जाता है फॉर दैट मैटर, कि उन्होंने इतनी ज़्यादा बीच में इन्वेस्टमेंट डाली है सो दैट एल्बम रिवाइवल्स जो है दोबारा हो सके.
फॉर मी आतिफ्स वॉइस इज़ नॉट क्या सुर है क्या ताल है. He sings from the heart.
I have this opportunity to work with such 3 legends in the industry, and so early on in my career. So yeah, I'm very thankful. Thank you.
So guys, that's all we've got in store for you in this episode. But before we go, we've got the results of our poll on Ranveer's Madam Tussauds look. A whopping 70% of you picked his sexy Ram Leela look. Hope you're listening, Madam Tussauds. You guys keep reading our site 9xc.com for more such fun stuff, and check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on Twitter at 9xc the show, and also download our free app 9xc on your Android and iOS phones. I'm Caitlin, your new girl on the 9xc block, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye guys.